Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize chart data in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a chart. Now we want to customize this chart data table. Click the chart. Then go to the chart element and click data table option and go to the more option. Then apply horizontally, otherwise vertically, and select the outline. Otherwise check mark of the show legend key. Now we can see here we customize this data table of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.